Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asia oil with prices in a sweet spot. A new trading range beckons analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 0E6058132025 16:48 am. Oil prices appear to be in the right spot, possibly poised to take the next step higher and forge a new trading range above Brent $45 after U.S. crude stocks fell for the third consecutive week and are clearly on a downwards trajectory. And with product stocks decreasing, favorably for global oil prices, it suggests the demand recovery is continuing to grind higher. NBSP. Most of these draws did occur in PADD3 Gulf Coast as net imports start to normalize. However, Cushing, Oklahoma stocks have risen for 6 consecutive weeks, up 7.7 MB 17% over that period, although we're still far from concerns about hitting tank tops. NBSP. But production curtailments, either planned or forced, continue to provide the oil market with the most significant backstop. NBSP. U.S. crude production fell 0.3 MBDWW due to the re-benchmarking to the EIA's short-term energy outlook's latest monthly figures, which were lower than previous estimates. Subsequently, U.S. crude production is estimated to be below 11 MBD at 10.7 MBD, a 2.4 MBD below the March high and a decline of 1.6 MBD. Complementing that view, the oil rig count fell by 4 last week to reach a new low, down 74% since the start of the year. Just 176 rigs are operating across the U.S. compared to the cycle high of 888 in 2018, and the OPEC agreement is working as intended. Oil prices are artificially propped up through OPEC intervention and U.S. curtailments. So oil market sentiment continues trading lineal to broader markets where risk continues to flourish as investors turn a blind eye to the lack of immediate progress in efforts for Congress to negotiate another stimulus package, but aware that one is coming. NBSP. But even worries around stalled U.S. fiscal talks are partly offset by the U.S. administration's conciliatory tone on China's compliance with the Phase 1 trade deal. The upcoming 6-month assessment seems unlikely to prompt any significant fireworks. Also, investor optimism remains high on a vaccine cure that is no longer being viewed as a pie in the sky. Finally, the U.S. dollar weakness helps oil prices in general, but even more so in this environment as the weaker U.S. dollar reflects a global risk on environment, not a flagging U.S. economy. NBSP. Appears the oil market's ladder is well buttressed, so why aren't crude prices climbing higher? Global COVID-19 cases now exceed 20 m, so in the absence of meaningful progress on a vaccine, traders are still looking over their shoulder to where new lockdowns might be necessary. And given the transitory nature of U.S. production, any rebound in U.S. shale output will complicate the bullish view. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.